Want to scale your online store with Facebook ads? Here's an easy e-commerce funnel strategy to turn cold audiences into loyal customers. Start with the top of the funnel. Create awareness campaigns using videos or carousel ads showcasing your products, target product interests, or lookalike audiences of your past customers. The goal here is to introduce your brand and attract new visitors to your website. Next is the middle of the funnel. Retarget people who watched your videos or visited your website but didn't purchase. Use ads with social proof like customer reviews, testimonials, or limited time offers to build trust and encourage them to come back. Finally, the bottom of the funnel, retarget cart abandoners or product page visitors with dynamic product ads. These automatically show shoppers the exact products they viewed, along with a strong call to action like buy now or limited stock. For the best results, keep your creatives fresh, monitor frequency, and adjust your budget by moving more spending into retargeting ads once you see which products do convert. That's your simple Facebook ads funnel to guide prospects from discovery to purchase. Like this video, subscribe for more e-commerce strategies and comment if you'd like to help building your funnel.